Good morning. It is Mother's Day, Sunday, May 8th, and I'm getting ready to go to church. But I woke up this morning with 1,000 things on my mind, just like everybody else, and I realized I did not make my video last week, so I apologize. The video that was on Moodle, if you've already watched it, you'll recognize it was not from this semester. So this is a fresh video. I'm making it live before I go to church. As I said, it's Mother's Day, and we are all here because some mother chose the gift of life. And I'm so grateful for my mom. She's a wonderful woman. I don't know if anybody knows her, but and for the opportunity to be a mother myself. So it's great to share my Mother's Day with you all. And this is our last week, so let's move on. All you have to do this week is complete the final exam. And please take the course evaluation. Please take the course evaluation. I cannot tell you how important that is to me, and also to my job and the people that supervise me. So please take it. I would appreciate that very much. And the final exam is proctored. Now, I have been warning you about this for 2 weeks. If you have not made your proctor appointment yet, you may be getting ready to run into some trouble. So I would take care of that today if you're going to use ProctorU. First thing tomorrow morning if you're going to use the Academic Success Center. If you want to proctor it with me, if you want to come and take it with me, I am available Monday, Wednesday, 8 to 12:30, and Tuesday, Thursday, 8 to 9. But all of those times are on main campus. So if any of that works for you and you weren't able to get a proctoring appointment, let me know. Monday, Wednesday, 8 to 12:30, Tuesday, Thursday, 8 to 9. And again, that's only on main campus. I think that's it. I will say this, the final exam has some open-ended questions that Hawks does not grade. So typically when you've submitted your quizzes in the past or your web test in the past, you will get your grade immediately. The final exam is not like that. I actually have to go in, I have to grade some of the questions myself, and I have to look at anything I want to give you partial credit on. So I will post the final exam to Moodle as soon as possible. I mean, it'll be up there by Friday, but maybe earlier. If you're taking your exam Monday or Tuesday of this week, I'll try to go ahead and grade it and get them put on Moodle as soon as possible. So as soon as you complete it, I'll try to be watching for that each day this week, but it'll definitely be on there by Friday. Friday is the last day of class, and grades are due Monday. So I will grade it as quickly as possible. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck on your exam. I don't think anybody has taken it, but to be perfectly honest, I took Thursday and Friday off last week, so I'm really behind on all things Richmond Community College. And that's why I forgot to make my video. I do apologize because nobody wants to watch an old video from last semester. But anyway, I'm live today. I hope you have a wonderful Mother's Day and good luck on your exam. I wish you nothing but great success. This class has been one of the greatest online classes I've ever had. It has been an absolute joy and pleasure. I really haven't had to track anybody down to do their work, haven't begged people to, show up for assignments, haven't had any issues with ProctorU or with the Academic Success Center. So you've been a joy, and it's been my pleasure. Take care.